Our garage is definitely in need of DampRid. Right here is completely underground, and then we actually have a full old school tunnel that goes into our house. This all collects so much moisture, so these will keep our garage smelling fresh and clean and keep everything moisture free throughout the winter. Here they are out of the box, and this is what you get. It's a pretty cool concept. These little pills here, which are calcium chloride, will absorb the moisture and dissolve in the same time, and they will collect down here. So over time, this will fill up with water, and these will go away, and you know that it's time to replace it when there are no more little pills in the top. So all you do to set it up is simply peel off the seal. And then there's this little cloth covering right there, which is great. That means nothing's gonna get in there. And put on the top. This one has a fresh scent, and it really does smell like fresh dryer sheets. It smells like laundry. And I think that will be really, really nice in the garage, as the garage still has that slight garage musty smell. And this smell will kind of dissipate throughout the garage. It won't be too strong. It'll be really, really nice. And I really like that. That's super simple. I can tuck it in a corner. It's safe for my cats. It's not going to be dangerous because it's so protected and covered. And it's going to pull all that moisture out of the air. The DampRid Moisture Absorbers are a great option if you are dealing with excess moisture or any musty smells. This will make your air fresh and clean.